The Cinderella Solution is a women-only fat loss and optional, home workout program designed by a woman fat loss specialist. It works through a simple and practical food pairing method that removes the need for calorie counting. The diet program lasts for 28 days and is divided into two 14-day phases, the Ignite and Launch phases. But it can be repeated as required until your targeted body weight is reached. Workouts are totally optional and consist of 8 to 20-minute gentle movement sequences designed to work for the female metabolism. Not testosterone-filled high-intensity workouts for men. They can be done at home with your own body weight and simple gear such as light dumbbells, no home gym or membership required. In short, the dietary and exercise plans were adjusted to restore to optimal working order the all-important health hormones insulin, cortisol and estrogen, allegedly turning their clock back to more youthful times. The Cinderella Solution was created for all women in mind without distinction of age, from late 20s all the way up to 60s and mature age, or initial body weight, as the plan time frame is redoable as needed. This review will detail how this program works and whether it could be the right solution for your weight loss goals. Quick navigation. This program was designed by a woman for women with a dietary and workout approach suitable for the female metabolism through very simple nutritional guidelines that eliminate the need for complicated calorie counting. The mix and match food combinations are a tested method for burning fat in a natural way without worrying too much about counting calories at every bite, making it a tastier and more enjoyable experience than robot-like, calorie-based diet plans. How it works. The Cinderella Solution started off from the observation by Carly Donovan that certain countries do seem to display lower levels of body weight and obesity problems despite eating starchy foods or drinking wine or indulging in any other desirable food. Countries like Spain or Japan, where they eat fats and carbs or drink wine but whose inhabitants display a healthy low body weight and impressive longevity. The reason for this apparent contradiction is in the way the Spanish, Japanese or other people eat their foods, mixing them in one meal in the right combinations, without a care about calories but the feel of satiety and satisfaction. Food pairing. However, the right foods combined in the right way increase the feeling of satiety before you have a chance of overeating and can also leave you feeling satiated for longer, meaning less cravings and no binging later on. This simple factor alone can naturally help lose fat to healthy levels, as it tackles the hunger and satiation response at root level. Some combinations are green tea and mint, salmon and asparagus, ricotta cheese and berries, apples and chocolate, fish and garlic. The diet program runs on two 14-day phases called Ignite and Launch for a total of 28-day, which can then be repeated in cycles as needed. The two phases work in a slightly different way. In the Ignite phase you are supposed to eat 3 meals a day, while in the Launch phase you'll be eating 4 meals a day. Both phases include 14 different meal plans for each day of each phase, no room for guesswork, including bonus recipes to spice up and vary the standard meal plans. The workouts are supported by a 50-video tutorial online library that you can access from your smartphone or PC through links in the workout manual, which you can also download for safekeeping, so you do not need to go streaming every time. Workout frequency is flexible depending on your goals and amount of weight to lose, but each session typically lasts from 8 to 20 minutes and are as mild as they can get, no macho straining required. What you'll get. Cinderella Solution Main Manual, a 76-page manual with information on weight loss hormones and female metabolism. The theory part of the plan with lists of foods and food combos taken from healthy countries where being overweight is less of an issue. A quick start guide, a 17-page booklet to start implementing the system right away without going through all the theory first, which you can always read later. The Cinderella University Book. This is a 56-page in-depth report on the main culprits of weight gain in women. This book discusses the insulin, cortisol and estrogen hormones as well as lifestyle changes you need to apply in order to achieve permanent fat loss without rebounds. The Movement Sequencing Guide. The optional workout part of the program, a 30-page manual with exercises to be done in a specific order, each exercise described with a link to its relative video tutorial for better grasping. No need for gym memberships or home gyms, a pair of dumbbell and a yoga mat will do the job. Bonus Daily Nutrition Blueprint. A 98-page manual describing the very same foods and meal plans the author used for her own 84 pounds weight loss, as well as extra bonus recipes. They all look yummy, if unusual. Closing thoughts. All in all, the Cinderella Solution seems to be a fun and simple solution to female fat loss with clear step-by-step guidance on foods but not the dreaded calorie counting. Its effectiveness is based on strategic food pairings as used in the gastronomy of healthy countries. Generally devised to satiate sooner rather than later, preventing overeating while balancing hormones in the process. With an optional mild exercise plan designed for women that does not need any equipment or gym membership and can be done at home. The Cinderella Solution is a very feasible fat loss plan for women who want a realistic blueprint without any boring, robotic calorie counting or over-the-top, hardcore workouts more suited for men. Call to action.